In this video, I will guide you on how to delete chat history on Messenger. The first thing you want to do is open the Messenger application. Make sure to log into your account. Now you want to find the conversation that you want to remove. Press and hold on it. Now you will find the option of delete over here. Tap on that. Then tap on the delete option. Now that specific conversation has been deleted. Now if you want to clear a specific message, go ahead and open up any conversation. Now tap and hold on the specific message that you want to delete. Here, find the option of delete. Then go ahead and tap on the delete option. Here you have two options, delete for everyone and delete for you. Tap on delete for everyone. And as you can see, the message has been deleted. In this way, you can easily delete chat history on Messenger. If you found this video useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.